So if you're using the Samsung keyboard and you want to know how to use this swipe to type feature, then here's how to enable it. So what you need to do is go to your Samsung keyboard settings, and you can do that either by tapping on this settings icon, or you can go to the main settings of your Samsung phone and then scroll down to general management, tap on that, and then tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Either way, it's going to land you on the Samsung keyboard settings page. So here you want to scroll down and find swipe, touch, and feedback. Tap on that, and then you should see keyboard swipe controls. Tap on that, and then you can see currently it's disabled, and that's why it's not working. So you need to enable swipe to type. All right, so you can see swipe to type is enabled. So now what that means is whenever you're on the keyboard typing maybe a document or a text message or whatever it is that you're typing, you can use the swipe to type feature. So basically you just swipe across your keyboard and you can see it's drawing lines, and it's going to try to see what you're trying to type. So for instance, if you want to type that's THE, so you just need to swipe like that, and it's going to realize that you want to type there, and then you can put a space. Let's type ritual. So that's RITUAL. Okay, so we do like that, and you can see it automatically detects that you wanted to type ritual, and it types ritual. And you can go doing that for all the things you want to type. Now, as soon as you get the hang of it, it's going to be much faster, and you can just use your finger to just type words and just keep going and going. And you can see it even puts spaces for you. You don't even need to touch the space bar. You can just keep typing and typing and typing. That is basically how to enable the swipe to type feature on your Galaxy keyboard or your Samsung keyboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.